Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Under the hood's a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got a nut brown leather interior, sunroof, panoramic roof. Come around back here. We've got GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, all season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming around side here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here, we do have steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This also comes with the convenience package, which comes with the garage door opener, auto dimming mirrors. Also comes with the interior leather package, which gives you 12 color ambient lighting, an MB Tex dashboard. We've got paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Rear view backup camera, navigation, our radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, 3 cup holders. We've got 29,586 miles on it, Carfax records and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.